Hi friends, welcome to the training series on high voltage substation installation techniques. Today we present our first clip on transformer, the heart of a substation. Larsen & Toubro's L&T Power Transmission and Distribution Businesses is one of the leading EPC contractors in the state of Sarawak, Malaysia. Recently, L&T successfully commissioned 2 major substations and is currently executing 2 more substation projects in this state. In this video, we will brief on the methods for unloading, transportation, jacking and skidding of a 240 MVA auto transformer to the plinth. Get started for an insightful session, as this is one of the largest transformers in the region of Sarawak, East Malaysia. L&T is supplying 2 units of 240 MVA auto transformer manufactured by General Electric to this substation project for Sarawak Energy Berhad. The transformers arrived at the Bintulu seaport in Malaysia after 10 days of sailing through South China Sea. The net freight weight is 143 tons, which is mainly the tank, without any accessories attached to it. After the transformer is completely assembled at the project site, it will weigh more than 220 tons. The transformer tank is 9.5 meters long, 4 meters wide and 4.5 meters tall. The consignment is safely placed in the lower berth of the ship. The transformers are being lifted from the ship using a self-mounted crane with a lifting capacity of 250 tons. Physical inspection of both the transformers at the Bintulu port is completed by our engineers. To avoid any damages during transport, transformers were latched with suitable chain blocks and welded supports at the base. It is time to put the transformer onto a 10-line multi-axle trailer. Upon positioning onto the trailer, the transformers were latched with chain blocks and wire ropes to ensure a safe road trip. Transportation of a cargo from port to site is known as haulage. This kind of special transportation is widely known as heavy haulage. Such heavy haulage needs an extensive survey of the route, including clearance along the path and load-taking capacity of all bridges along the path. Special statutory permission is required to be taken from the local authorities such as Highways Department, Telecom Department, Electrical Utilities Department. Police escort is mandatory because the transportation is along a public road. The transformers are loaded to the trailer in such a way that the heavy vehicle and light vehicle sides of transformers were in accordance with the heavy vehicle and light vehicle orientation of the site. L&T ensures safety briefing to the supervisors, axle operators and the driver before the journey begins. Our journey starts from the Bintulu port and ends at our Marudi substation project site along this route. This journey is going to take 2 days. The cargo can move at a speed of 5 to 20 kilometers per hour. Some of the special spares and tools carried during transport are on display on the screen. Such cargo cannot move during the night due to public safety reasons. The trailer is escorted by 2 escort vehicles along the sides interfacing through walkie-talkie.
This one is 50.
This one 18? No.
Yeah, seems to be 18 la. Let's reduce the speed. 15 is good. Less than 15 is good. Okay.
The services of the local traffic police were roped in to control the public and vehicle movement. The route has 3 major river bridge crossings: Sungai Nyalau, Sungai Nya, and Sungai Sibuti. Traffic on both the sides of the bridges are blocked when the trailer crosses the bridge. Sun is setting and it's evening. Time to take a pause overnight at Batu Nia. Now it's morning of day 2. We continue our journey. Finally, after 18 hours of the running time spread over 2 days, our transformer reaches Marudi site. The team is excited at this late evening hours and welcomes the giant load. This substation is expansion to existing Lambir 275 kilowatt substation, which was also installed by L&T. There are live feeders running at 275 kilowatt voltage level. To avoid any electrical risks, the 275 kilowatt main bus near to the site access road was shut down. The multi-axle trailer can now move inside the live substation in the morning hours of the third day. The trailer moved in and was positioned parallel to the transformer plinth in such a way that it matched the transformer center line with the plinth center line. Hydraulic jacking and skidding technique were deployed as there was space constraint at the location to deploy a high-capacity crane for transformer main tank installation. The tools and tackles required for this technique are displayed on the screen. A. Procedure: Jacking transformer. 1. Unfasten the chain blocks from the multi-axle trailer. 2. The hydraulic jack, capacity of 120 tons each, placed at 4 jacking points of the transformer, has been jacked up. 3. The 2 transfer bed beams are placed below the transformer. 4. Transfer bed beams are supported by wooden blocks in both the ends. Wooden block was arranged in such a way to form as a pillar to support the transfer beam. 5. Jack down the transformer over the transfer bed beam. 6. Jack down the trailer bed slowly by using trailer hydraulic machine until transformer was placed completely on the transfer bed beam. 7. The trailer has been moved out carefully without any disturbance to the wooden blocks. 8. Now, gradually, it is jacked down to a certain level and rested on wooden blocks in 4 corners of the transformer. B. Procedure: Skidding transformer. 1. Jack up the transformer to a certain level to place the dragon and sliding beam. 2. Dragon beam to be placed over the transfer bed beam and sliding beam to be placed inside the dragon beam. 3. Now the transformer has been jacked down and placed over the sliding beam. 4. Push and pull cylinders are connected to the sliding beam with its accessories. 5. Started pulling the transformer towards the plinth step by step, covering each dragon distance using the hydraulic machine. 6. Centerline alignment to be done by sliding roller. 4 points of centerline are matched and the vibration pad is placed in between the tank and the plinth. 7. Jack down the transformer over the transformer plinth. This has been the fastest and the most effective skidding and jacking method executed in this region. It took only 2 hours to position the transformer from the road to the plinth, covering a distance of about 15 meters. A critical task that was safely achieved the L&T way. We hope you enjoyed this short training clip. In case any part of the training clip seemed complex, do clarify with your seniors or raise queries during ATL discussion forum. We will continue to bring more high-quality content on high voltage substation installation. Stay tuned and happy learning.